Hi, my name is Kwang Soo Han from the Washington and Lee University. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install and configure an Odyssey standalone. I prepared a checklist for step-by processes. I'll just follow them here. The phase 1 before installation. Number 1, check your operating system for your computer. So I'll go to Start and then Control Panel and then System. So some Windows XP machine. So I check. Since the Odyssey application is a Windows application, no Linux or Macintosh can be used. Number 2, you have administrator rights for your computer. Usually, if you are able to install software on your machine, you are the administrator for your computer. If you're not sure about that, you need to consult your IT in your institution. So I'll check this one. Number 3, check the network connection, open the browser and go to this address. So I'll go to this address, www.myipaddress.com. I'll open the web browser. If that page comes up, that means my computer is connected to the network. So I type in the security code over here, PQUJED. Then show my IP address. Uh, that is my IP address. So I'll go back to my checklist. Number 3, my computer is connected to the network. Then number 4, I know my IP address. So I'm going to write down my IP address, 173.162.60. So number 5, my IP address is a static address. So basically, my IP address currently is not a static address, but if you wanna provide the persistent service using Odyssey, you need a static address. So you may need to consult your IT in your institution. So for now, I'm going to use my dynamic address. So I'll check this one. Number 6, download the Odyssey install file at this address. When you visit this page, you need to fill out a form and then submit it, and the Odyssey system will send email to you including URL to the file location, so you can download it from there. So I assume that I did it. And number 7, write down the location of the file on your computer. Once you finish the downloading the file, so you may need to remember where the file is now. So number 7. Now phase 2 installation. Now we can start installing the software. Number 1, run Odyssey installer package.exe. So I'll go to my Odyssey install package.exe. I'll double click it and run it, and then click yes, and then accept all the default setting and click unzip. Now 9 files are unzipped. Click OK. It'll automatically launch the installation file. So you see this interface. Now let me go back to checklist. I ran it. So number 2, once finished unzipping, Odyssey installer automatically runs. So I can check this one. Number 3, run step 1. Let me go back to this phase. I'll click Step 1, install Odyssey client. I'll click it, restart. Click next, accept the terms, click next and give a name, then click next and then start the installation. It'll take a couple of minutes. Now it is installing Microsoft SQL Server Desktop Engine. If you're using Windows 7, it might prompt an alert or error message that SQL Server has an unknown compatibility issue with Windows 7. You can just ignore it and continue to do that. Now click Finish. Let me go back to number 3. Run step 1. So I've already done it. I check it. And before run step 2. Now let me go back to the Odyssey installation and then step to set up Odyssey database. Click. It'll take a couple of more minutes here. And now click next, then accept the terms, and then use all the default setting and click next and start installing. Now it is finished. Click Finish. Let me go back to checklist. So now I ran the step 2. I'll check it. Then now it's time to restart your computer. I'll be back after restarting my computer.